enra.
Okay.
E kote ma me me ma ne me yire ba. No mu ye na mse munye din me tie. And Methodist Sopho was preaching about fear. Fear. And this fear is what these young fake pastors use. I'll come to the preaching, but I'm explaining.
Okay.
In the course of the investigation, who said, Obia Niedro, only powers be no spiritual whatever, nothing. But the moment this beautiful lady will walk to Osofu, say Uhiamwa, it means Ehuo. Muntia Niepa. The moment Obia sorry, Akosofu was say, na diebi Ehiano, inti Omwano, nature say Ehuo. Yes. Right. So the moment you go to him, no, when who say Kai, oh yeah, pray, oh yeah, victim, so they begin to pump more fear in you. Na ehunu wo mu a bibi obabi sa obia, what the man. Na emma titi minu amba bomfa nche me. Ba mo aso mu duabo. Hwe enra hwe Methodist sofo no preaching papa bi a o preach ye. Ewie na obabi frɛ sɛ akana koma na sofo obɛbɔ mpae ama me na ma ware me se esua na misu na ma ware. So the call one man church obi nim ho. Ko ka kire nse wa ware enkoyie na wusu a obedim. Straight. I'm using the words raw, no sabi, because I'm just tired of Ghana for mo sabi no a man go for e fa ho din se hunu. Me say sa obeya ofra Methodist Medina sofo enra. Okoka na sem kire Nigel obedi no. Oka kire Beduko bi obedi no. Oka kire owusu hwan ya brand say wait, just a young as of for the onye who say problem here obedi.
Was here for me mamu nyina akwaba eba free mind family social media aye butu ebusia ni edi kan no me church amu nyina media ba bia me we di eye good morning nti ba bia wo bia no say eye good morning no say eye good afternoon say eye good evening ebusia me chiao pa na ebusia eya na meta hu within the comment section say ebinom eta bisa me number me sremo number me dia to dwa na so still aya na ebinom eta bisa once and for all ebusia number no na mo hu screen no so na ebusia me srew number no say wo save ya eya eyi bi free mo send ya wo hu no screen no so no tro no sa pepe na save ni sa pepe +254 731834210 no message say save ni sa pepe so hear me on WhatsApp I won sabe kame. So here mean so via direct call I won sabe kame and empo say a direct text message I busunya won sabe kame. Now so message say during the day no because of social media judgment here na meta busy kakra anti message say o pese o free enemy kasa ya anajo a free bear 7 p.m. Kono a free bear 7 p.m. kono busunya sa amre no so o free me a won sa ebetimi akame say ne be ya ye betimi atwetwe enkomo ebusia odifo kwabna tewia sembeka ya odifo ya oba abonten be hye nkom se nana adodankwa ekufu ado his excellency obewu ansana 7 December abato mbre no aso no ebusia odifo yi wapaya wa ebusia odifo yi menya information bia ebusia obesresa emra oba abonten be hye nkom se nana adodankwa ekufu ado obewu ansana 7 December general elections mbre no aso no ebusia yenika yenka ye ho na se ba yato aso yenka ye ho mra
me ma na wotwe mienu jare na beka nanado anye ka kwansia anye plane crash anye bibia ne mo yade beka no yade ne ka no a onye yie ansana ye beto aba no 7 December na nanado aye fun enti MPP for sorry ni bra ye nyina ye kwa the true challenge the amad the whole Ghana abifu a wo Ghana ha nyina akonfu a wo Ghana ha nyina Muslims a wo Ghana ha nyina asofu a wo Ghana ha nyina me kwabena tawia me true challenge ama won say nanado wo masufidie de ama no obewu ansana ya to aba no aya atamfo hyehyeye MPP fo nyina mo sampa nanado frɛ me e wo Jubilee House ma ne ko hia me ka asɛm we kyerɛ no ka kyerɛ ne sɛ yasum ne fidie obewu me papa ne ka kyerɛ me sɛ wagye ma anoyɛ so ɔbɛsɔre akɔakɔyɛ ho adeɛ adenti ɛna me fa no ase madwuma no nyinaa wie no ma fa no ase madwuma no nyinaa wie nka mede mu ayɛ kɔma no makɔhunu wɔwuo yi means me papa ne frɛ me a me kɔɔyɛ a mede asɛm no tu no wanyɛ so adwuma nti wɔwuo no da MPP foɔ akyemfoɔ the whole akyemfoɔ ahemfo abrempɔn ensɔre me tonyame sɛ nanado yadeɛ no bɛka na ansa no yɛato aba enti na oppositionfoɔ bi tumi ba abɔnten bɛka sɛ ɛnkyɛ papa ne bɛwu nanado bɛdi nkɔnom nanado wu firi nnɛ ɛkɔsɛ kyena a mahama bɛdi nkɔnom
awusia time a ode bɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ 7 p.m. Ghana time why yeah if free 6 p.m. ɛba nyina Ghana time so frɛ me a onsa ebetimi akame na busia emra ɛyɛ odifo kwabnatawia oba abonten bɛhyɛ saa enkomwe odifo kwabnatawia eklemi sɛ o contacte ɛyɛ his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ɛma Nana Addo ɛma no yɛ adwuma bi ma no adwuma ɔyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɔ ne ho mmɔden ɛyɛ ne nyankoma de ɛpamo owuo no efiri Nana Addo nkyɛn because abusia to be able to sack owuo no enye easy sɛ owuo tata obi na utimi ebo ho mmɔden etimi pam owuo no free saa nipa no ho na okrampo no you need a medal or say be ye hyeda ebo abaso kra na ebia ye national statue kra de si Ghana because obi a utimi pam owuo de na saa nipa no we are very powerful because konfa no chekra ka say okwakwaji owuo safo aba ebesi ne o ma enti so utimi pam owuo de na say you are even becoming more powerful than sabi okonfa no che no different community we say after say wa pam owuo afri eye Nana Addo ho awie no Nana Addo mpese obetua ne ka. The NPP government does not want to pay him or drain one on TSC because massa some may devote me time, resources and effort. And then Yankuma de apamu every one that Triamica now person with Triamica. Just say, where's a caddy? We will drain whole crowd in TSC, massa. Mapamu, pharmacy kamame, massa. When Jubano Mayeri and Anado, and Jubano D4 say, Wayeri. This is the time for you to pay him for sacking the wool away from you. Etiabusia, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. D4 want TSC why he doesn't want to pay him, why the NPP government does not want to pay him. Now, Sebi, NDC4, Anka, Omo Trianika, because NDC4, yes. NDC4, yes, Sebi, bread, yes, sir. Basso to be pam wool from the any cash, you know, on bed, one de Bema cash, you know, and your Mahama paper, you be ribi. Mahama dollars, you be ribi. Mahama cities, you be ribi. But, eba Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nso nko adie omo mpese obetua nika odwe ho a onti ase ebusia yentie eye odifo kwabnatawia na se as usual ya to aso yentie odifo no
ade na ode bae no nanso Nana Addo trimu ye din mama madwuma ma frɛ me de adwuma ma me nanso mo ma me 1 cedi MPP for mo ma me 1 cedi obi amfa phone frɛ me misa me say kwasi ampani what to say be yes adwuma we ma jo mahama koma neme adwuma me yema MPP no be yema jo mahama koma neme aden and president wa frɛ me ama me adwuma na ma ya adwuma nyina ama na ntimi fa phone kura mfrɛ me frɛ no onfa me frɛ na wonfa obi wo ni fie ho e frɛ no Isaac my friend onfa saa nanka wowu a owu yi a eba no nka me mfa ntudwa kamene no na bekwa akotena ase san sɛ me hu hia na dia wo frɛ me e ko Jubilee House ma ya adwuma ni nyina ma na wie na mo me frɛ na wonfa nti MPP fo nyina ne akyemfo nsɔre na omunya adwuma na firi na me kan wɔtena adwoda kosi ukoda sɛ ɔma papa ne to bra papa ni bewu na Nadu bewu na opposition fo bewu ni na Nadu wu pa opposition fo bewu ni that's na afa ade na umoso sɛ asie biem na ɔman ntie adwuma a magya ma Nana Addo ɔma akyekyere no ɛyɛ MPP foɔ ɛna di kan ɛna kɔ kyekyere no ansa na opposition fo so to aso mutiri ameka no nti MPP fo ne di kan ye to abani bia ye na no de kwa kyekere no enti me true challenge ama the whole MPP omon kono mko bisa me sami me di atro nyame nkome ne ma na watwe nti MPP fo ekwa bisa nyina nso ne Muslim fo ewom akonfo ewom ahemfo ewom politicians won sorry onko bisa baabi amako sane papa wei ne mo aka owuo no na don frɛ me ma me good morning da ntomo nkoma nim ma yi mensa wo ye ni paponefo na sunsun nyuma wo hwɛ baabi a ye bobo din ni nyina no mama kakra 40 billion every ritual back up here 40 billion times the same na do wa ma me wansi dida wa fa mi aba me good morning da nti wo na ete ya nim no a na tamfo na suma ama no won hu senti na papa bi nam se enche papa we wo bewu enche papa we bewu eye sunsuma asem na me ka kire no MPP for sorry na ne kire me ka kire no na mo behu MPP for mo behu eye secret sunsuma hinta so na me ka kire mo na ndi opa no omra into challenge ade bone be na me ya wode me aye ba no afra me aka nsam nyina cha na ma ya adwuma nyina ma na me papa entimi mfrɛ phone emisam se sei me frɛ ne so awamfa officer wawie na do adwene se wawie mon twɛn na mo hwɛ nti owie mo nkɔ na mo kɔ sesa obi a wo MPP ni bia nkɔ abisa edin amabobɔ so nyina no wontie me edin amabobɔ so baabi a makɔ sane papa yi omde ne kɔ ye nyina no MPP fo ka ho na do ahom ya ma me wansi dida me twɛn MPP fo nyina nsɔre sesi ya edin enti na me di din baabi a me kɔ sane no nyina me di din ni nyina tudwa omo nkɔ hɔ na obi ankɔ bisa na mo de wonim wo a wonim organa ha na wonim na opomiti bone timatam be de mframa bodua ohome mframa ko mu awu okoti afisu wawu udidi awu unati asase wesu wawu ubonyame din awu woda okata so wawu bosomo pomini masamo mame susuma wogana ha nyina ni masamo mame se me ni ntro adwuma magia no abi amako sane papa no afri no ene na me ka kire mo nsentrofo ne ti se na do nim na MPP fo ni na udi me ho agro me hu ko ya me do me fa so ene ya ni breda nti di aka no aka san na se nti MPP fo na anko na mo ko sane no na wowu dan anim na na kina yare ya na be ka next week nti na my friends central for ne na mo hwe ade
hi lack of employment in Ghana ama for ayeshi ebusunya say udi agra on be di usika ario cash ario bibia ka ho ebinom ho a omunya oyire kra obesa awe obi oha onya ukunu kra obesa atwe no onya makra mpo a wosa don be ye ntoso aguso ebusunya asofo oni adifo no omaye ward enti muani na ho ebusunya muani na ho. Do you now understand when I told that these guys are businessmen? They are not into work for any Christ. They are not into work for any God. These guys are businessmen and they are into make profit. Do you now understand it? The church is their business. Jesus Christ is the products. You are the customers and they are the beneficiaries. Do you now understand that concept? Ebusia, odi for kwabnateria oba bonten beka se eye na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo bewu no. Where was the evidence? And I said, where is the evidence? No evidence. oba bonten and obeka asa asem no and according to him Nana Addo tie na asem no and oman go ahead say ne oni hu dwuma no. No evidence. But do you know what happens? Esan say already the atmosphere in Ghana no full of superstition, full of dogma, full of unproven beliefs and facts, and full of chese Ghana for Jiabe di, Ghana for Jisunsun Boni di, Ghana for Jisamai di ni, Ghana for Ji and you be bredi into already atmosphere no fertile. Atmosphere no conducive to accept things like this from Odifo Kwabena. Atmosphere no fear based atmosphere. The moment over planted fear in such an atmosphere no, now you are going to rape. I say turning on the gas. On say ubi gas not to gas no pie eba bonte mx enframano, so you create a flammable atmosphere. Till the moment over matches the atom no pa na ija dem what you say penalty. He says already the Ghanaian atmosphere is full of fear and superstition and religious beliefs and religious mentality. The moment I would fear, the moment I over plant a seed of fear, no na a germinate na boom, it just them na at me I bring forth fruits. What you say? Pepe, that was the tactics that Odifo Kwabena used on Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And mind you, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, from what I see or from what I know, the man is overly religious because President Obabetina Konyano so Obema Odifo bi aso nantwi abebemu edi abehye wonsem. President Oba abemu obeye wadwe say who pull it down buildings meant for judges. Who bubu sa buildings a constructing national cathedral to honor the God of Israel whom you believe helped you to win the election there. This man is an overly religious person. It's the moment asani pano odi ehu se beto ne so no na onsa akana na se na wanya na o trap no achibela. Sa pepe na Odifo Kwabena because Nana Addo bewu no evidence. Say am pass no evidence. Nya ohu ye bia no evidence by say Nana Addo what that kind of religious mindset inti. According to him, with me capture na dwen. And Nana Addo ema ni go ahead say ne sabia oni hu djuma ema no. He say papa no say why na djuma awie. Fanesi kama na o sisi nchina twan. O mpese obetua ne ka. For what reason? Abusia because to be able to sack owo no enye easy o. Because okonfa no chekra ka say okwakwaji owo safo aba. Ebisi ne ontumi mind ne say owo very strong. And na in a culture no mpo no. Ye wasem dia ye kan say owo ekura dia enkwantume nye. Inti no krampo dia dance say owo very powerful. It is say obi etimi be pam owo efiri wo ho. Na say sebi edru mera also otua ne ka na person obetua ne ka dia. Then what do you want to tell the person? Abusia now where Krabudi dance say this a D4 and these pastors no, they are not working for Christ because according to their Bible, if they are to go by their Bible and ka Jesus Christ na omu jini di no, si eje dem say obe wiase a Yesu baye no. Ono Krabudi wa ma me pam owu. Yesu baye no wa pam owu, onyane owufuo as in Lazarus. O de ono Krabudi wo say nipa no nyanwu ye na emom, wo say owu aben no. And I say opam owu no efiri nipa no, say na be ya nipa no benya nkwatenten. Yesu de enye owu na opamo no ono de onyane owufuo na so wanye kapre. Yesu nyane Lazarus wanye kapre. Yesu ema akwatafo ehu fie wanye kapre. Oma enifrafo ehu ade wanye kapre. Yesu ye nyankoma ade bebere na so wanye kapre. Eno ti no ka se ode ma kwa enti monso momfama kwa. Enti Odifo Kwabena so oji hu te se oji hu di se Yesu din emu anase Yesu din na ode perform some miracles we eye sa nyankoma di we dia ene Yesu se menka nkyere wo se ode ma kwa enti wonso fama kwa enti die benti na se watumi aye adwuma ama a whole president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo waba media mu demand for payment kwa sa Jesus so ka kyere wo se ode ma kwa enti wonso fama kwa. So you see the games these guys are playing, you see that these guys don't even go according to their Bible. Anka me hu ye nanka emra uhu sa enkomhye na oba bonten be kan ye no nanka okoye koye hu adwuma no nanka uwie ye nanka e bia afa phone e dia friend Nana Addo say Nana Addo your excellency say my adwuma na wie say you are a free man uwo no mapam no efre wonche it comes 7 December you'll be alive to contest for the elections and if possible to win the seat and remain as president for the next 4 years. I have declared you a free man. That is the end. Nanka Nana Addo aka say when you me say thank you so much. Nanka Nana Addo nanka sa no e use ni discretion, e use na dwen say sɛ odi for kwabena tawia etimi aye adwuma bi sɛ ama me apam owu efre me ho dia ɛna wɔ sɛ at least bitimi ekokoda na se na bitimi epa bibi kakra ede supporting adwuma no ede boa no ede ma no because those days are na ye gidi mpo sɛ ye maame ne ye papa no so mabosom sɛ okɔ konfo aso eya conform does not demand money from you. The only thing the conform will demand is say bia fa akokɔ tuntum bra ana sɛ fa akokɔ kontwa ebra sɛ ye ka akokɔ kontwa asɛm nim kontwa yɛ saa akokɔ na ɔmo ni ntakra ɔmo kɔn ho no aha ye fɛ no kontwa ebia fa akokɔ kontwa bra fa aboa tuntum bra fa ebia akotre ba ako na fa ebia ananse kosua ba akoka ho na fa ebia gatase eka ho na fa bɔɔdeɛ ene akokɔ ka ho na fa bra na menye nyankoma ade ma wo ade a konfo no de be nyankoma ade no e na obedi mande afiri ho na se konfo no ye adwuma no wie a he or she does not ask you for money e ye wa e na obe use wo nyansa anase bia asema konfo be ka kire ne se me yema wo wie a at least bo modern na fa me na ase ebre me eno no enye charging o se bo modern na fa nananom na ase ebre no nti se wa fa nananom na ase a mre nananom na se nananom take any action against you dia ene we wa jejirije. What you see, but wait there, the way Odifo Kwabena Tawia is demanding for money and coming to the media to speak like this and no crowd or a businessman because you're software and power and Kasanya American. That is why those days crampo all man almost from evangelist no say on bejina car mu and I say omu jina baby preaching we are they don't ask for money omu preaching we are nyame asem na oma ka kire wo no eno saa nyame asem no beka wakoma na wankasa with inside of you who feel say oh che no bibi and now one can want to be use free choice and free will to give the man of God something those days they didn't even demand for money but then they had done it and then they about business. What they are saying is say if we are even made or forced to believe in that concept of nyamesom provided by Christianity and cause sana asofo ni edi for no moye modjuma ka moye bibi ema mo followers wi ana say se mo solve problem bi ema mo follower don't demand for money ma o man kasa eyi so o mo adwen emra me da wase se ne Jesus ka kire mo say o di ma mo kwa enti mo so mo fama kwa no kasa na nko se mutimi ye no na so ene de near Odifo Kwabena Tawia kire kradi adanse say these guys are in for business, these guys are in to make money, these guys the church is their business empire, the asofudie is their profession and these guys are in to make profit and not to help anybody that is why he has come to the media to demand for money and is even saying say NDC fuanka omotwa ne kada dada now so Nana doesn't want to pay him and okra budia dance say oba bonte be shen san company na eya tro he only did that so the be ya wetimi agisika every Nana do because in the first place any medical can no we ka say so oba bonte be ka say nipa no be wu evidence a wo to support your claim say nipa no be wu no away now so we say they know say already are creating that atmosphere of fear. It's the moment or the fear you'll be forced to provide something for him to do something for you and in the end get some money from you. So that is how they play their game. Use fear and intimidation to get what you want. Do you now understand the concept? Do you now understand the matrix? Do you now understand how the system is working? Do you now understand how they are playing their games? Nana no dan kwaku fadon so with all due respect your excellency Odifo Kwabena Tawia say why adwuma na wie I don't believe in them. I know that these so-called pastors and so forth, they are all scammers, they are all fraudsters, they are all using fear and intimidation tactics to get what they are looking for. But Nanado, from the look of things, you are somebody who is very religious. Say the say obi a win the presidency cry a day then chaba bebe share 170 ade dia we see cathedral ni ade dia. We are made to believe say you are very religious. That is why Odifo Kwabena Tawia pay his claims utimi twe wadwen na say utimi enya wo no e dey say watimi adadao na say wa man dey go ahead ama no aye adwuma ma wo na say wa man go ahead ama na aye adwuma ma wo die na say wo say we adwuma ne dia then you have to pay the man because masa me pa wo afro ho no enye bete we are mortals in as much as we know that someday we are going to die. None of us want to die. We wish say we are able to live forever. Even a GD from poor omujidi say omoba bi wu akonanti gold so akako enjoy life in a heaven cramp no they still don't want to die. It's Nanado. So we'll be at me our health health insurance. So we'll be at me our life insurance. At me up more time amount to live on this planet then you have to pay that person. into now gilidi so gilidi amana kwakwaye nyankoma ade ama o claiming say wapam owu afro ho dia then why don't you want to pay the man is a businessman onya ade enche o ba pam owu afro ho no don't think it was for free sabin prebiasa into why na juma wie dia tuaneka why na juma wie na say wonso gidi say ampa say waye ajuma na say owu afro ho nchen akwa come 7 December owu na Ghana for say whether they vote for you or they don't vote for you, at least your health is the most important thing. On kwa ehu hiya Ghana for it say come December 7 December na say Ghana for both still out in kwemu obra owu ye dia na say oji sa de ni say wapam owu no afro ho dia, then why don't you want to pay the man? Another dank kwaku for mesre say tia papa ne kana onyan no guase ya ogu yi tia papa ne kana onyan media mo ne na mo kasa kasa na na NDC for crown ko metua meka na mo person betua meka and NPP for dia wicked and I pay me my money manado pay the man his money say na be ya serve obetumi aka na no atom obi ansuma o say go and seek services obi ansuma o say mane nto wadwen so atumi atena flat house ho and as a Jubilee house ho ama obi ti say papa bi ti say udi for kwabna tawia aba be wia wadwen ato wadwen e de ehu ato mu ama wa ma dey go ahead say onya adwuma ma pay his claims na so claim say why adwuma na wie na say wugidi say why adwuma na wie dia, then why don't you want to pay the man? So you guys, you see how these guys are playing with the system, you see how these guys are playing with the minds of Ghanaians. And until I there obi asori a so yourself for obi asori a so a D4 because they know say Odifo and I say osofo no a profession bia you don't need any qualification. Now here they say we wait me read 1 or 2 Bible verses a church rase now wait me ejina nipa enim akasa. The moment you are able to stand before people and talk and be able to be abreast with some 1 or 2 Bible verses, pe unya school demo bia na wash a business ase. And I say unya to kro bi mu ana wash a business ase. And I say obe sha say empire ahomache empire na mu jina park so near na mu empire no business has started. That is why now, because of joblessness and because of unemployment, everybody is now becoming a pastor in Ghana. That is why we are producing more pastors than intellectuals. That is why we are producing more pastors than doctors and scientists and people who will be able to help the Ghanaian economy grow, develop and prosper. So you see how these guys are playing with the economy? You see how these guys are playing with the minds of Ghanaians? The system is there. All you need to do is to plant the seed of fear. And already it sounds like you created that atmosphere of fear. Now your atmosphere no is fertile for fear. Until the moment you plant the seed of fear into somebody, then you are able to get whatever you are looking for. These are the games these guys are playing. Do you now understand and believe me when I tell you these guys are not doing any job for any Jesus? These guys are in to make money and make profit and nothing else. Do you now understand me? That is why I always tell you, say, stop giving your money to this kind of people. Stop giving your money to this so-called prophets and men of God, and use that money to improve on your life. Use that money to build yourself, Ebusia. Use that money to build yourself. Sabi pray as Ebusia. Mama ye use ya drain. Na mama ya drain no enye adwuma Ebusia. Mama ya drain no enye adwuma. The moment I be ma wa drain no aye adwuma no. E difo bi say omo ain't me na ada obiem. Asofo bi say omo ain't me na ada obiem. Ebusia, you see how they are playing with our minds and you see how they are playing with our intelligence. Ebusia, mama ya ma drain no enye adwuma. Obi abeka cho say uwu aben na owu wo ho nti opese opa owu ni firi ho a oboa eye scam ebusia for nobody obi ani ho a oni meda o de bewu ukọ hospital crab na say doctor crab bua o say obewu a doctor beka cho say bia within this time frame you are likely to die, but Dr. Crampono 8 me the exact day and hour o de bewu enti odi fo bia ni ho a obetimi a kire wo say obewu e that say me nua e ya tro e na da e fear and intimidation tactics the moment you use your dream say the be say di fo we omo ain't me enkoso and na da ebiem. It's as simple as that. Me do asise wa hwe me. Me do asise wa tie me. My name is George Freemind and you're part of the Freemind family. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. Peace bless up. Bye.